Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling location service and preparing the client script so Quill Lake can read coordinates. First, add a local script to starter player scripts and call location service, get last location async, or request permission async. Once done, request permission from the player and handle denied responses gracefully. Make sure to mock GPS in Studio for early tests. That prevents wasted testing on unsupported devices. You want immediate feedback, so log coordinates and fall back to a default spawn point if location data is missing. Next, you translate latitude and longitude into Quill Lake world positions. Use a simple equirectangular conversion for small areas. Scale degrees to studs, then offset to your map origin. This is fast and predictable. Once done, smooth incoming updates with linear interpolation to avoid jitter, but clamp unrealistic deltas to prevent teleport abuse. Also, send periodic validated positions to the server to confirm authenticity. This reduces spoofing and keeps synced multiplayer behavior, consistent for all players engaged in location-based mechanics. Finally, complete integration by testing and providing fallbacks so the experience holds up. You should detect permission denial and either prompt again or use a safe default spawn. If GPS accuracy is low, degrade mechanics that rely on fine positioning and inform the player. This preserves fairness. Once done, continuously log failures and distance outliers to quickly identify conversion bugs or spoofing. If things go wrong, check coordinate scaling and timestamp telemetry first. Those reveal most mapping and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.